Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer design files into Google Drive for Teams step by step clearly. To transfer design files into Google Drive for Teams, start by opening your web browser. Go to the Google Drive website. Log into your Google account if you aren't already signed in. Once you're logged in, locate the My Drive section on the left sidebar. Click on My Drive to open it. To create a new folder for your design files, click on the plus new button in the top left corner. Choose Folder from the drop-down menu. Name your folder appropriately for easy identification, then click Create. Open the newly created folder by double-clicking on it. Now, to upload your design files, click on the plus new button again. This time select File Upload from the drop-down menu. Navigate to the location on your computer where your design files are saved. Select the files you want to upload, then click Open. Wait for the upload process to complete. Once uploaded, the design files will appear in the folder. If needed, you can right-click on each file to rename it for better clarity. To share the folder with your team, right-click on the folder name. Select Share from the context menu. In the sharing settings, enter the email addresses of your team members. Choose the appropriate permissions for each member, such as viewer or editor. Then click Send to share the folder with your team. Your team members will now have access to the design files in Google Drive. This process allows for easy collaboration and access to essential design resources. Ensure that team members know how to access the folder by informing them. Regularly update the files as needed for the most efficient teamwork. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.